The Universe cards. Number 14. Supernova. Keyword: Culmination. Interpretation. There are times when events in our lives reach a point of crisis. There is a dramatic moment of release, an outburst, or a sudden, unexpected event. These dramatic moments can be both high and low points in our lives. They may be moments of the greatest inspiration or the deepest despair. Either way, they are infinitely surprising and often totally unexpected. An explosion of realization and enlightenment, or, equally, rage and horror, sweeps all other considerations aside. If you draw the Supernova card, you are being put on alert that such a crisis point is being reached with regard to your inquiry. The critical time symbolized by the Supernova card is highly creative and energizing. Drawing this card indicates that a huge amount of energy is being poured into the situation. This can be a positive, but supernova explosions are also very dangerous. If you draw the Supernova card number 14, you are being warned to prepare for the approaching crisis and to take measures to protect yourself. Although the Supernova card indicates a sudden and unexpected event, such rises do not just appear out of nowhere. It is likely that the explosion that has been building for a long time. If you have drawn the Supernova card with other cards, look at the surrounding cards to describe the root of the situation. If the Supernova card indicates a crisis that has already happened, look to the other cards for the best way of reaping the ultimate benefit.